go. Where did you keep that? Pause it now. It's halftime. That's how you pause it?
And then it's going to Tyler is making free throws. Good shot, Tyler. Red team got the ball. Red team got the ball. And he goes for a quick one. He loses the ball. White team smashes it. And also a travel. Wow, we have a defensive game today. The score is right there. Like the red team is beating them. Oh my gosh. Look at this happening. Wow, today is the 5th game. Wow, look what's happening. Look here. We have red team making some free throws. There's the ball. Good balance, but it looks like today he's off track. He makes another one and booyah! Passes the ball to Tyler. Tyler's bringing him up the court. He's going on the side. Passes to number 1. Number 1 has the ball right now. Number 1's trying to go up for a layup, but he couldn't, so he just shot the ball. Shots. Looks like number 1 is getting 2 shots. 2 shots. He has 1 more shot. Number 1 on the free throw line, making these shots up. Looks like red team has the ball. They're going all in. Red team. Give it to Old Dude. Old Dude has the ball now. They're giving it to young one. Young one. They're giving it back to old boy. They gave it to number 5 and missed the whole layup. But it's alright. Tyler bringing it back up to the court. He's bringing it back up. Tyler number 11. Before he gives it to his young fellow number 2. They go all apart. Number 5 on the red team has it. He tries to pass it to OG, but OG can't see. Tyler's putting in the ball. He's bringing it up the court. Young fella number 13 on the red team trying to guard him, but he can't. So he backed up. Got to number 1. Number 3 had the ball. Number 1 putting it up for a layup. Missed the layup. Putting it right back up there. Old Dude has the ball, bringing it up the court. Shucks. We got a tight game. Good defense. And Tyler's young fella number 2. Bringing it up the court. Loses the ball. Young boy 35 on the red team. Knocks the ball out of the court. Shucks. And now the team is going back to the court. like Tyler Youngfellow, number 2, is making 2 free throws. Oh, look like that was enough to make it 2 free throws. Oh, he makes the first one. Now let's see. He's gonna make the second one. Oh, shucks. It's a good game right here. It looks like a good game right here. Oh, buddy. Ooh, number two on the red team gets the rebound. Give it to young fella number 13 on the red team. Oh, shucks. Oh, shucks. It looks like we're going down. He doesn't have nobody to throw it to, so he passes the old man. Pass the big man number 10. Oh, the ball went up. Tyler's lucky number friend. Number 2 got the ball. Oh, shucks. What we doing? The red putting up 32. Oh, it's like 32 on something. Oh, shucks. We getting something now. It looks like we doing box. Oh, box. Get it to Crazy Dudehead. Number, I don't know what number. Oh, 12 got the ball. Oh, shucks. Alright, it looks like 32 on the white team bringing up the in the 11. Tyler bringing up the ball. Oh, he tries to go in for a layup, but he couldn't, so he still tried to do it, and he missed it. Ball guys stands to go get the ball from big man number 10. Oh, shucks. It's going down. It looks like big man over there, number 10 on the red team is bad. Oh, shucks. We got a big man mad. Oh, shucks. We got a big man. Tyler bringing up the ball on the right, or the left. On the right side. Oh, shucks. And they lose the ball at the end of the game. Oh, come on. Big man taking out the ball. Young fella gets the ball, brings it up the court. Oh, what we doing now? Oh, young fella trying to play defense on young fella number 2. Ooh, pass to his teammate pass right back to young boy. Oh, shucks. Crazy hair dude makes the layup. And number 12. Woohoo! Alright, Tyler bringing up the ball. Tyler Lennon bringing up the ball. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. Oh, hold up. Guys, I gotta see. Number 30, Charles make it from that red line right there. Oh, shucks.